The truth about apple cider vinegar and baking soda, is it healthy? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about a staple that's found its way into many of our kitchens and, possibly, into our wellness routines, apple cider vinegar, or ACV. It's been praised for everything from melting away pounds to boosting digestion. But there's a twist in the tale. Lately, a new concoction is making the rounds, ACV mixed with baking soda. Curious? You should be. In this video, we're going to carefully unpack apple cider vinegar and baking soda, both as solo acts and as a duo. What benefits might they hold on their own? And what happens when they're combined? Are there any risks involved? Join me as we explore these questions, looking at what the science says and how it might affect your body. Let's get started. Understanding pH and its importance. Let's dive into something that sounds a bit scientific, but is super relevant to our discussion: pH levels. Now, pH stands for potential of hydrogen, and it measures how acidic or alkaline a substance is on a scale from 0 to 14. Anything below 7 is considered acidic, like our apple cider vinegar here, which has a pH of around 2.5. And anything above 7 is alkaline. Take baking soda, for instance, which has a pH of about 9.5. A pH of 7 itself is neutral, like pure water. But why does this matter for our bodies? Our bodies are pretty amazing at maintaining a stable pH level, typically around 7.4, slightly alkaline. This balance is crucial because it allows our enzymes and biochemical systems to function at their best. If our pH tilts too far in either direction, it can disrupt these systems, leading to health issues. So, understanding pH is not just about chemistry, it's about understanding what keeps us ticking. So, when we talk about mixing ACV and baking soda, we're really playing with the delicate balance of pH in our bodies. Let's keep this in mind as we explore what these substances can do for us. The role of stomach acid in digestion. Let's delve into an essential aspect of our digestive health: stomach acid. Specifically, hydrochloric acid, which is crucial for digestion. The stomach's environment is highly acidic, with a pH ranging from 1 to 3. This level of acidity is vital for breaking down food efficiently, absorbing nutrients effectively, and eliminating pathogens that enter the body through our diet. Let's address a widespread misconception about heartburn. Many assume heartburn stems from having too much stomach acid. However, more often than not, the culprit is actually insufficient stomach acid, a condition known as hypochlorhydria. Factors contributing to this can include aging, stress, thyroid problems, infections such as H. pylori, and even long-term use of antacids. It's important to understand these dynamics because they shift our understanding of common gastrointestinal symptoms and influence how we manage our digestive health. Maintaining the correct acidity in our stomach is not merely a matter of comfort, it's a critical component of our overall well-being. Debunking myths about body acidity. When it comes to health, misinformation can spread quickly, especially concerning our body's pH levels. A common myth suggests that many of us have bodies that are too acidic, but let's set the record straight. Our bodies are remarkably adept at regulating pH levels. The notion that our entire system swings from too acidic to too alkaline isn't just oversimplified, it's scientifically inaccurate. Our internal environment stays within a tight pH range, crucial for our survival. You might think acidic urine is a sign your body is too acidic, but it's quite the opposite. It means your kidneys are effectively doing their job, removing excess acids to keep your internal pH balanced. And here's another interesting fact: hyperventilation can actually make your body more alkaline, not more acidic. This happens because breathing too quickly reduces carbon dioxide levels, which can increase blood pH temporarily. Understanding these basics helps debunk myths and guides us towards better health decisions based on science, not hearsay. Benefits of apple cider vinegar, ACV. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV, is more than just a kitchen staple. It has earned a spot in the health and wellness spotlight for some compelling reasons. Let's break down what it does and why so many people incorporate it into their daily routine. First up, digestion. ACV can boost your stomach's acidity, enhancing its ability to break down food. This is particularly beneficial for those who may not produce enough stomach acid naturally. When ACV is digested, its main component, acetic acid, transforms into acetate in the intestines. Acetate is a short-chain fatty acid that plays a vital role in our bodies. It not only fuels the good bacteria in our gut, but also has been shown to reduce appetite and improve insulin sensitivity, which are crucial for metabolic health. The benefits extend beyond digestion. Studies suggest that ACV can improve insulin sensitivity and help manage type 2 diabetes. Additionally, its impact on cardiovascular health includes lowering blood pressure and improving cholesterol levels. Incorporating ACV into your diet could support these aspects of your health, backed by a growing body of research. So, whether you're looking to support your digestive health or manage chronic conditions, ACV might be worth considering as part of a balanced diet. Benefits and limitations of baking soda. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a versatile household item known for its quick fixes and cleaning prowess. But it also has uses that extend into the realm of health, though with certain caveats. Beyond its well-known role in baking, baking soda serves as an ingredient in homemade mouthwash and toothpaste, acts as a natural deodorant, and is a powerhouse for cleaning around the house. Its mild abrasive properties and ability to neutralize odors make it a handy all-rounder. For heartburn relief, baking soda can neutralize stomach acid, providing immediate, short-term comfort. However, it's not a long-term solution. Frequent use can actually exacerbate the underlying issues by disturbing natural acid production and, ironically, triggering more acid reflux. Additionally, regular ingestion of baking soda carries risks. Its high sodium content can lead to increased blood pressure and other cardiovascular issues. It can also interfere with your stomach's digestive functions, and excessive use might affect the absorption of essential nutrients. So, while baking soda is a wonderful tool in both the kitchen and for occasional health needs, it should be used wisely and sparingly when it comes to consumption. What happens when you mix ACV and baking soda? Mixing apple cider vinegar, or ACV, with baking soda is a popular health hack, but what actually happens when these two substances combine? Let's break it down. ACV is acidic and baking soda is a base. When they mix, they react by neutralizing each other. This reaction not only affects the overall pH, but also results in a fizzing release of carbon dioxide gas. The end mixture is closer to neutral pH than either of the original components. What does this mean for your digestion? Well, if you're taking ACV for its acidic properties to aid digestion, mixing it with baking soda might counteract those benefits. The neutralization reduces the acidity that helps break down food effectively. However, not all benefits are lost. The acetic acid in ACV still converts into acetate in your body, which can support gut health and improve metabolic functions. This means, while some immediate digestive benefits may be diminished, longer-term benefits for your metabolism and gut health remain. So, while the combination might offer a less acidic punch, it still carries valuable health benefits worth considering in your wellness routine. How to use ACV and baking soda safely. Navigating the use of apple cider vinegar and baking soda can be a bit like finding your way through a health hack maze. Let's set some guidelines to ensure you're using them safely and effectively. For those of you using ACV for its digestive benefits, it's best taken alone. This preserves its acidic nature, which aids in digestion and helps increase the absorption of nutrients from your meals. Now, baking soda is great for quick relief from symptoms like heartburn, but it should be used sparingly. Because it neutralizes stomach acid, it's best not taken during meals, as it can interfere with your normal digestion process. If you decide to mix ACV with baking soda, take it on an empty stomach. This helps to minimize any potential disruption to your digestion, as the stomach is less acidic when empty, making the timing less critical for your digestive enzymes. Remember, these substances are helpful when used correctly, but always keep in mind that balance is key to any health regimen. Consulting with a healthcare provider is also a smart step when adding anything new to your routine. As we wrap up today's discussion, let's quickly recap the important points about apple cider vinegar and baking soda. ACV is fantastic for digestion and has metabolic benefits due to its acidity, while baking soda can provide quick relief from heartburn due to its alkalinity. However, using them together can neutralize these effects, so understanding when and how to use each one is crucial. For those of you dealing with long-term digestive issues or concerned about your body's pH balance, consulting with a healthcare professional is wise. They can provide guidance tailored to your specific health needs. Try incorporating ACV into your routine by itself to fully benefit from its properties. If you find you need heartburn relief, then consider baking soda, but remember, holistic health practices should always come first. Explore these options, and as always, stay informed and proactive about your health. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more insightful health tips. Stay healthy.